Okay, you're in luck. We're on the last one. So we're going to do a new turn tool and we're going to do grooving. And we want to change that to internal grooving. Okay. And so on an internal grooving tool, you have a round shank. Okay. So let's go back to general and we're going to we go to our lathe tool setup and we want our description as our inside diameter grooving tool. We're going to insert that description and we're going to go back to our list and we're going to get the vendor off that, which is AccuPro. And then we're going to look at MSC. Okay, so it's an O-ring groove tool. Solid carbide. We're probably going to have to simulate it with a insert. Okay, and let's start with our insert information. So the groove width is 97 thousandths. And our projection is 110. Let's get our product detail in there. So we go back and we insert our product. Okay. Then we're going to go to the insert and we're doing grooving. And we're going to use a square insert width 0.097. We'll go ahead and just put the width of the insert at that same width. Not sure what to put on the thickness, so we'll leave that alone. The height of the head, so we're going to have a projection of 0.11. In our corner radius, we need to look and see what that is. So if we go back, do we have a corner radius? Yes, it's 15 thousandths. And then our head height, why don't we just set it at the same? 0.11 is our projection. Okay, we're going to go on to the holder. And our shank width is a 1/4 of an inch. Okay, and then our cutting width, so it's going to be 0.11 plus half the diameter, so 0.125. See if the math works. Yep. Our head length is 1/2 an inch, I believe. So that would be our maximum hole depth, be 1/2 an inch. And our overall length is 2.5. Okay, so we're going to add the projection length to the cutting width for this. And the display of the body is kind of funky there. It's kind of like half square, half round. But it's supposed to be a round shank. And our setup is actually facing the turret to make this groove. Okay, and we're going to use constant surface speed. We're going to leave the rest at default. Hit OK. And there we got number 12, our turning tool. All right, that's it. You're done with your tool magazine. Make sure that you save it. You hit save, and then you right click and export it. And you're going to export it as S60 lathe tools.hsm lib. And then you're going to upload that file in Canvas as your assignment. Thanks a lot. Hope you learned a lot, and see you in the next one.